What's the meaning of chow? Chow. Chow.
Chow. Chow. Chow can have multiple meanings depending on the context in which it is used. As a noun, it can refer to a breed of Chinese dog or to food, particularly of Chinese cuisine. As a verb, it can mean to eat or to show off in an ostentatious manner. It can also be used as an interjection to express agreement or understanding. However, the specific meaning of chow is highly dependent on the context in which it is used, and further clarification may be necessary to determine its intended meaning.